Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to talk about and demonstrate how to provide aided language input and communicate during a board game. So my son, he loves... Yeah. He loves the animals, and so this is one of his favorite games. It's called Sequence for Kids. So we are going to open up the game, and we'll take out the board game. And Luke, what color of sequence do you want? Oh, you said you want the green.
I'll take the blue.
Sophie said she wants the blue. I think I will have the yellow. So that means Daddy's going to have the blue, isn't he?
No.
Or the red. Oops. All right, so we're going to take out our sequins and we're going to put them in our container. And I
got the cards out.
Yep, you're right. We're going to put them in the bowl. And Sophie says that she has the cards ready for us.
Here, you want me to help you open?
Help.
Pass it over to
I don't think he needs help. Look, he has it open by himself. You're doing good, Luke.
Good.
You have a big pile?
Big.
You do have a big pile of sequins until we start to put them on the board.
Huh?
All right.
I need tiger.
Well, hold on. Remember, we have to wait, and whatever our card says, that is the animal that we get to lay on, okay?
Yeah, all of us get how many guys?
Sophie wonders
House.
how many cards we get.
One.
Yeah, one. How many is this?
Go.
Two.
One.
Three. Four. You have
34.
not 34, but 4 cards. Let's turn them over. You didn't get a camel, bud. Sorry.
I have a goat.
I think you should look again.
Look.
I do not see
No.
a goat. So what would you like to start with, bud? A moose, a fox, an alligator, or a penguin?
I
Want.
a bang.
I'm not sure, so let me check. Did you say
Alligator.
alligator?
Alligator.
Is that the one you want?
No, I want the
Not here, remember, it's one of these. The moose, the fox, the alligator, or penguin. Which one of these?
I want bang.
Oh, you changed your mind. You want a wild animal. A penguin. Maybe it's under birds. It wasn't under wild. There it is, under birds. Move your head a little bit. Penguin. All right, so we have 2 penguins when we have our board, don't we? Do we want this penguin or do you want that penguin?
That.
You want that one.
One.
All right. Okay, so there's just an example of how you can provide aided language input during a game.
Alligator.
You want the alligator next? Okay.
Get in next.
Well, hold on. Yep, we get a new card. Look at that.
New
We got a new one.
New card.
So talking about taking turns and who's going next. I know, you're excited about the alligator, aren't you? Excited. Doing commenting with liking, that you're doing a good job, or just commenting on the animals, or if you're playing Candyland on the colors, or oh no, if you got the licorice guy in the Candyland game. Hold on. It's not our turn right now. Not. Whose turn is it? You can also do questions with whose turn or how many cards like we did earlier. Whose turn? Luke, whose turn is next?
He might do it.
Whose turn is next?
I know.
You don't know? Who's the next person after you that's sitting across the table?
He wants the banana.
Sophia. It's Sophia's turn to go. You can do the verbs, but just have fun. That's the whole point of the games, but you can also work in some communication while you do it. All right, thanks for watching. Comment and subscribe below. Thank you.